In the video of Professor Duarte, he explained that they had a accordance with a big, very important institute in Germany to check out the Yildiz motor. And you look to the video below, you will see he explained this. And then when this was needed to be done, when the time come to do this, they say, no, we cannot do this because we can only measure things that are somehow visible, that are real. We cannot measure something that does not exist. Here is the main problem, that academic science, cannot accept Yildiz motor. Because the Yildiz, he bring his motor, let's say somewhere, and the motor is a closed system, looks like it is closed system, you know? Motor is not connected with any wire. There's nothing, there's just a box there, the box, closed system. And what is the problem here? The problem is that academic science, these professors which they are teaching physics and machinery science and all this stuff, they see this and what they have in the mind? They have in the mind, this is a closed system. And every closed system has a limited source of energy. Okay. So, first of all, they cannot understand how this runs. This is already a puzzle for them. But okay, Duarte explained this very good in the technical terms. The magnets are somehow positioned in the way that there is a continuous tension and the motor is running. The magnets are pushing them apart, and this is then turned into circular movement. But then the next question is, from where the system get energy? Any system can get energy only if it's open. A closed system is limited in energy. And the Yildiz motor is not a closed system. Yildiz motor is open system. Yildiz motor get energy from the superfluid quantum space. Because the permanent magnet, they polarize superfluid quantum vacuum. And this polarization is magnetic field. And this magnetic field is permanent. So, if magnetic field is doing some work, the strength of the magnet remains the same. Because the permanent magnet, imagine this is permanent magnet. The permanent magnet is taking here the superfluid quantum space inside, and here is pushing it outside. So there is a flux. There is a flux of superfluid quantum space energy through the magnet. And if this flux is doing some work or not, for the power of the magnet is the same. The power of the magnet will not diminish. So the Yildiz motor is technically will be done that it can work, that all the axis and everything is fixed. It can run for 300 years. We know that also very good magnets in a big long period of time they will lose some weight because the the structure of the material will change, and this will diminish magnetism. But this takes very, very long. So academia is pushing this away because of this fanciful idea of Albert Einstein that universal space is empty. And now the standard model says universal space is empty, and in the universal space we have particles and we have fields, and that's it. No! That's the wrong idea. There is only one field in the universe, and this is superfluid quantum space. And elementary particles are different vortexes, are different energy structures of this superfluid quantum space. And magnetic field and electric field are excitation of superfluid quantum space. And the photon is a wave of superfluid quantum space. And dark energy, this is the energy of the superfluid quantum space. And as I say already in the previous videos, the dark matter does not exist, okay? Because the galactic curves have origin in the dynamic of superfluid quantum space. Superfluid quantum space is rotating inside the galaxies. This local space is rotating. And that's why the galactic curves. This is the problem of theoretical physics today. We have gravitational field, we have Higgs field, we have electromagnetic fields, and we don't know how to put this together. The Higgs field does not exist at all. Higgs field is a science fiction. I explained this in previous videos. Okay. Gravity force is a force that has origin in the variable energy density of space. And magnetism and electricity are excitation of the space. So Yildiz motor is an open system that takes energy from the vacuum, from the superfluid quantum space or physical vacuum, or call it as you want it. The old name is ether. And I will tell you today, the Yildiz motor is a solution for the energy problem on this planet. But academia don't want to see this because it's blind because of this fanciful Albert Einstein physics. That is just mathematical philosophy. Einstein relativity is mathematical philosophy. You can't calculate nothing with gravitational tensor of Albert Einstein, nothing. This is just mathematical description of how gravity should work, but it doesn't work like this. So I'm very happy that Professor Duarte now is in the pension, it's free, has a lot of time to go on with this. And I hope that somehow the academia slowly will step out of this old paradigm of space-time as a fundamental arena of the universe. This is a crap. That time is a fourth dimension of space. It's a total crap. Universal space is time invariant. And to understand, we have 4% of energy in the universe is made out of matter, 4%. And matter has entropy. But superfluid quantum space is a syntropy type of energy, has no entropy at all. So this idea that universe will expand and that we will have this thermodynamical death, that's all garbage. That's all garbage. And professors are teaching this garbage for years and years, and they will go on with this for years and years. This garbage of Big Bang, of curved space. I mean, So I hope, at least I hope that somebody will understand this, at least 3 people which are dealing with the Yildiz motor. That Yildiz motor is an open system. Okay. Thank you very much for your attention.